Outdated stovetops feel so frustrating. Slow heating times, uneven results, lack of control. It just sucks. Top-tier modern induction cooktops solve these issues with a smarter, more efficient way to cook. They use advanced technology to transfer heat directly to cookware, which speeds up cooking but also keeps surfaces cooler for safety. We'll dive into the best options in a second. Just make sure to use our links for the latest discounts. Here we go! Number 5. Samsung NZ36K7880US. Best for smart homes. Smart home tech makes your life so much easier, and Samsung really delivers the goods with this model. Right out of the gate, Flex Zone technology sets this 36-inch model apart. It adapts to the size of your cookware. Round, square, big, small, the surface distributes heat where it's needed. Smart connectivity transforms how users interact with the kitchen. With Wi-Fi compatibility, checking burner status from another room or syncing with the Samsung ventilation hood feels effortless. Bluetooth technology takes convenience further by syncing fans and lights automatically whenever burners are active. Standard cooktops don't even come close to this level of integration, making it easier to stay focused on the meal rather than small adjustments. Cooking precision gets a visual boost thanks to the virtual flame feature. LED lights mimic gas flames, offering a reassuring visual cue. This bridges the gap for those accustomed to gas stoves while delivering the precision heating that only induction technology can achieve. The energy efficiency of this system also leads to significant savings over time, with the added benefit of qualifying for energy rebates. Quick heat adjustments make a big difference in busy kitchens, and the power boost function handles this with ease. Water boils faster while the process remains in your control. Standard electric models tend to lag in this regard, gas ones too. As we look at the dual control options, there's a magnetic knob that provides a familiar tactile experience, while touch controls offer that sleek modernity that we like. The availability of both options feels thoughtful, that's for sure. This 36-inch induction cooktop is a fine option for anyone who would like to elevate their kitchen with smart functionality. We like it. We like it a lot. Number 4. Frigidaire Gallery GCCI3067AB. Fantastic value. We will now maximize value with this Frigidaire Gallery model, the top bang for the buck in the induction cooktop industry. Temp lock technology leads the way here. It keeps a consistent temperature throughout all of your cooking sessions. Many of the more traditional electric burners tend to fluctuate between hot and cold, but this feature mimics cruise control for heat. For tasks like simmering sauces or frying delicate foods, it eliminates the worry of uneven results. The inclusion of a bridge element adds another layer of versatility. With two burners connected, it accommodates oversized cookware like griddles. This feature becomes invaluable during holidays or family gatherings, when cooking multiple dishes takes priority. Standard cooktops often require users to shuffle pots around to make space, but the bridge element simplifies this process. Auto-sizing pan detection takes the guesswork out of everyday cook sessions. This tech will identify the pan size to apply the correct heat. No extra adjustments are needed here, guys. That only optimizes energy use, sure, but it also delivers more precise results. Safety also plays a big role in this cooktop's design. Since only the pan heats, the surrounding surface remains significantly cooler, which reduces burn risks when in use. This feature makes it a particularly safe choice for households with kids or high-traffic kitchens. Additionally, auto-pot detection prevents accidental activation by lighting up only when cookware is placed on the surface. Cleaning this cooktop feels easier than dealing with gas or electric options. Since spills don't bake onto the cool surface, they wipe away quickly. This convenience solves one of the most frustrating problems in daily kitchen maintenance. For the listed price, it's pretty much impossible to beat this one. Number 3. Breville Commercial CMC850BSS. Best portable model. Most portable cooktops struggle to combine mobility and performance, but not this one. The Breville Commercial Induction Cooktop redefines what a portable induction cooktop can deliver. For anyone prioritizing flexibility, the Control Freak just stands out. The device comes with a padded carry case, which makes transport easy. It also keeps the unit protected from bumps. Moving on, The compact design fits into tight spaces. Food trucks, crowded kitchen counters, something bulky models simply can't achieve. This cooktop just adapts without even losing functionality. Precision control makes this product a major player in the portable induction cooktop market. With adjustable temperatures starting at 86 degrees Fahrenheit and reaching up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. It's designed for serious cooking tasks. The sensor under its glass surface reads temperatures 20 times every second. That level of accuracy helps maintain a steady oil temperature when frying or keeps delicate liquids perfect for sauce work. Many standard induction units fall behind on accuracy, which leaves users struggling to manage fluctuating heat. A standout feature is the probe control system, which monitors the exact temperature of ingredients, even in shallow liquids. This makes it an excellent tool for sous vide, poaching, sugar-based recipes, you name it. The moment cold food hits hot oil, the system adjusts instantly, which solves a problem common to other cooktops. Heat delivery on this model also deserves recognition, guys. The heat intensity control shifts smoothly between low and high settings, which delivers consistent results on all fronts. Other units often struggle to balance these extremes, which requires constant adjustments. The CMC 850BSS model goes further with its build quality. Constructed from commercial-grade stainless steel, it holds up in all environments. Its dual-fan cooling system prevents overheating, a problem that plagues many professional cookware options. This reliability makes the unit a trustworthy partner in kitchens facing long hours and heavy workloads. Its Create function saves frequently used settings, reducing the need for constant manual input during repeat tasks. Compared to similar systems, this feature saves time. We like it a lot. Number 2. LG CBIH3013BE. Excellent versatility. A versatile cooktop can transform the way you cook, and well, this LG model sets a new standard. It will adapt to the demands of any kitchen, plain and simple. 4 induction elements offer the freedom to use cookware of multiple sizes. Whether working with a small saucepan or a large sauté pan, the burners adjust seamlessly to fit. The UltraHeat 4.3 kilowatt element delivers an impressive range of power. Rapid boiling happens in minutes, while precision simmering turns out flawless sauces. With its automatic cookware detection, the cooktop activates only when an induction-compatible pot is placed on the burner. This feature not only boosts energy efficiency but also gives added safety, which reduces heat where it's not needed. Standard electric and gas ranges often require more attention, while this system makes operation simple and worry-free. Smart technology takes convenience further. The ThinQ app lets you control key functions remotely. You can even sync it with compatible smart LG hoods or over-the-range microwaves. When in use, the hood's fan and light start automatically, saving steps during busy meal preparation. Compared to basic models without connectivity, this cooktop feels like it belongs in the kitchens of the future. Safety remains a priority with features like the control lock and residual heat indicators. Together, they minimize risks for families with kids, while the cool-to-the-touch surface adds an extra layer of confidence. And spills wipe off easily since they don't bake onto the cooktop, a common issue with gas or coil ranges. Aesthetic features bring sophistication to any space. The smooth touch glass controls offer a sleek and intuitive interface. It looks really cool. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Number 1. GE PP9830DJBB Profile Series. Best overall. And now the time has come for all you lovely folks to meet this GE Profile Series model from GE. It raises the bar, and we can confidently call it the best induction cooktop on the market. The winner for today. One of its biggest strengths lies in its versatility. The power boil element adapts easily to different cookware sizes. You can reheat soup in a small pan. You can boil a stock pot full of water for pasta. It's all good because this feature steps up to the challenge. We're looking at a powerful 3,000 watts of power here, guys. Heat distributes evenly, which means you avoid all the common frustrations, hot spots, undercooked food, that type of thing. For larger tasks, the bridge element connects 2 burners into one expansive cooking zone. This feature is ideal for griddles or oversized pots. It solves problems other cooktops often overlook. Ventilation often complicates kitchen setups, but the downdraft exhaust system simplifies things by pulling smoke and odors directly from the cooktop surface. Without needing a separate overhead range hood, it provides an effective and space-saving solution for those working with smaller or open-concept kitchens. Many standard cooktops lack this integrated technology, setting this model apart. Safety features address common concerns for families, but also young cooks. Hot surface indicator lights give clear feedback when burners remain warm, which prevents accidental contact. The control lock provides another layer of protection because it simply stops any unintended activation, which pairs well with busy kitchens. From an aesthetic standpoint, the black glass surface offers more than just style. It's easy to wipe clean after spills, which means less time spent on baked-on residue scrubs. Compared to coil or gas options, this smooth surface adds both elegance and practicality. Knob controls add another user-friendly element, avoiding the confusion advanced touch panels sometimes bring. When considered against typical industry options, this model shines for its balance of thoughtful design, reliable heating, and practical safety measures. It doesn't overcomplicate its features, yet delivers consistent performance in ways that make day-to-day cooking easier. You wanted the best, you got it.